Hey there, handy friends. Today I'm going to show you how to identify pine sap or pine resin. So what I'm using to make the salve, and what I've also did a video to purify. Pine pitch, pine resin, pine sap, they get combined a lot of the times, especially when I'm harvesting. And I'm going to show you how to ethically harvest the pine sap, pine pitch. But right now I want to show you something really cool that we found while we were looking. Check this out. This is a hornet's nest. And it is live. They're dormant right now, but as you can see, it's weighted down, pretty much weighting down the branch. It's very heavy. It's full of dormant bees. So stick with us while I show you how to harvest that pine pitch.
Okay.
Here we are, we're collecting this pine pitch, and it is frozen out, so it's quite cold, and we are only harvesting 10% of what we found here on this branch. And this is how we harvest pine pitch. We have a stick that we found on the ground, a pretty solid stick that's not really dead, and we have this jar that I put in this baggie. This is the same jar that I used in the previous video to purify the pine pitch. So I'm reusing this jar, and we are harvesting. We're going to take you over to another area where we harvest 10% more off of a different tree. This is a really good example of what to look for. You can see the runs down this tree. So this is the sap running down, and it goes all the way up quite a ways. I'm not going to climb it. There's a lot up there. But that's an example of what we look for to let us know that these trees are still alive. If the tree is dying, it will not continue to produce sap after or resin after a certain point. So this is what you want to look for. And again, I happen to be just in white pine right now. So we're here again at another area and harvesting 10% more. So this is how you ethically harvest pine pitch. It looks like we're at a white pine. Oop, that piece dropped, but it's okay. It's frozen, we can pick it up. So we harvested 10% here, and this is how we harvest. We're gonna skip to the next and harvest 10% there. See what we have in our jar. Yep, and you can see this is a white pine. All evergreen trees are fine to use from, to harvest from. So we've been out here for a while now, and we've hit a lot of trees. That's what it takes to harvest ethically. And I have my jar in a baggie because it's all sticky with pine sap around it. I didn't want to get it into my harvesting bag, but have a look inside there. So be sure to check out my other video on how to purify pine pitch so you can know how to clean this up and then how to use it. Okay, handy friends, that's how you harvest pine pitch, pine sap, or pine resin. They mix together. And if you like what you see, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be having a lot more cool videos like this about nature coming out. And stay handy, friends.